Now we'll move on to our next question, that is, what is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. Okay, so let us see the answer. So what is irrigation? The process of watering the crops at different intervals. Means when we water the crops at different time intervals, this is known as irrigation. The time and frequency of irrigation varies according to different crops, soil and seasons. Means how many times you have to irrigate the plants vary according to the crops, the type of crop, whether they are kharif crop or rabi crops, or the type of soil or the type of season. Got it? Now the two methods of irrigation that conserve water. These are modern methods of irrigation. The first one is sprinkler system. As we have learned in the revision video also, in this system there are perpendicular pipes. There are perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles, rotating taps on the top. The motor pumps the water with pressure from the well and water flows to the main pipeline. It comes out of the rotating nozzles and gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Like the water comes out of the taps in the form of raindrops, in the form of sprinkles. So this is sprinkler system of irrigation. The next one is drip irrigation. Drip, as the name suggests, drop by drop. In this system, the water falls drop by drop directly at the position of roots. Means the water is provided directly at the position of roots. The water is provided to the crops drop by drop. Hence, it is called drip irrigation. And in this system, water is not wasted at all. We have learnt it with the help of a diagram also in the previous classes. Now, the next question is, if wheat is sown in Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. As we know that wheat is a Rabi crop. So Kharif crops are the crops grown in rainy season. If wheat is grown in Kharif season, then rain, temperature and other climatic conditions will not favor the growth of wheat. Means as wheat is a Rabi crop, when we will grow it in Kharif crop, so the temperature conditions, other climatic condition and rain will not favor the growth of wheat, will not be in the favor of growth of wheat, and the whole crop may get destroyed or damaged. Therefore, it should not be grown in Kharif season. It should only be grown in Rabi season because it is a Rabi crop. Now, the next question is, explain how soil gets affected by continuous plantation of crops. Means if we keep on growing crops on the same soil, what will happen? Plants, as we know, plants take nutrients for growth and development of the soil, from the soil. For growth and development, plants take nutrients from the soil. Continuous plantation of crops will lead to poor availability of the nutrients in the soil. As plants are taking the nutrients, so the availability of the nutrients will become poor in the soil. Their amount will get reduced, so the soil quality will be affected. Means soil will get infertile. Gradually the soil becomes less fertile, which will decrease the crop yield. Means slowly what will happen? The crop will become less fertile and decrease the crop production or crop yield. Now the next question is, what are weeds and how can we control them? As we already know, the unwanted and undesirable plants that grow naturally along with the crop plants are called weeds. The unwanted or undesirable plants that grow naturally along with the crop plants are called weeds. They compete with the main crop for space, nutrients, water and sunlight. They affect the crop growth and sometimes they may also be poisonous. Okay, so we can control them by different methods, as we have already learned in the previous classes. So the first method is cutting and uprooting the weeds manually. Means by manpower we can cut the weeds with the help of a khurpi or a seed drill. We can spray chemicals that kill weeds called weedicides, and by tilling or plowing before sowing crops. We can do the process of plowing before the sowing crops to remove the weeds growing in the field. So you have to learn and understand the question answers very carefully, because I am repeating it again, because MCQs can be made from this also. Okay, so do study well. Thank you.